Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add songs to like a playlist on dance karaoke, like how you can request a song on the like karaoke machine or whatever you want to call it. Just trying to find a place where it's kind of not crowded. Well, every place is crowded right now, so I'm just going to randomly select a person and I'm just going to do the example there. I'll just go here. Go and press the interact button. So press E on your keyboard. Then you're going to select the plus button here. Select a song that you want to add and press select song. I'm not going to do that though because I don't want to bother people, but that's pretty much it. If there's a vote skip and there's nobody, you can vote like skip yourself, like here. Because I'll need one more person to skip it because there's two people there. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.